Welcome to English for Beginners. Today we're gonna learn 15 phrases that you need to know as an absolute beginner. Number 1. What's your name? What's your name? Number 2. My name is John, Patrick. My name is John. Number 3. How are you? How are you? Number 4. I'm good. I'm good. Number 5. Thank you. Thank you. Number 6. You're welcome. You're welcome. Number 7. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Number 8. What do you do? What do you do? Number 9. Where can I find a pharmacy, bus station? Where can I find pharmacy, bus station, theater? Where can I find? Number 10. How to get to the pharmacy, the bus station? How to get to the pharmacy, the bus station, the theater? How to get to. Number 11. I need help. I need help. Number 12. What time is it? What time is it? Number 13. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Number 14. What is this? What is this? Number 15. Where are you? Where are you? These are the 15 basic phrases any beginner should know. Thank you for watching and see you on the next episode of English for Beginners.